Are you happy? Are we going to practice talking? Hello. Hello. Is that funny? What's your name? Is your name Joshua? Joshua. Joshua. Hello. 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 Yeah, that was good, wasn't it? Are we overstimulated? Are we overstimulated? You've not had enough though, have you? You have had enough. Do you want to go to sleep? Do you want a break? Should we try that? There we go. Now we're spitting that out. Should we try again? Should we try again? No, we don't want it. Are we talking some more? Are we talking some more? I was just about to say that. Yeah, I was thinking that, but then I didn't know what to say. Really? What? That's definitely time to say bye-byes now, isn't it? Definitely time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are we not actually tired? Are you turning away though? Have you had enough? Okay, I think that's enough. It's enough, isn't it? Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Are we practicing? Are we practicing? Hello. That was a good one. Hello. 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 Joshua. Are you Joshua? Are we getting tired now? Have we had enough?